Good afternoon. Well, the heat and the humidity have been building over recent days, and that is bringing us some fuel for some big showers and some thunderstorms that we're going to see during the first half of this week. So the next few days pretty unsettled. Later in the week, something a little calmer and more serene weather-wise as high pressure takes charge. Now, what we've got out there through today, we've got low pressure sitting to the southwest. That's pushing these weather fronts in towards southwest England. Some rain already here. That rain will then push across parts of Wales into Northern Ireland and later on towards the Midlands too. For eastern parts of England, you should keep the hazy sunshine, but it will cloud over through the day. It'll feel quite warm and humid though, with temperatures as high as around 24 degrees. For Scotland through the rest of today, some sunny spells, but also a few heavy showers in the north. Now let's focus on the rain into this evening and overnight, because it becomes quite heavy and persistent for parts of Wales, the Midlands, Northern England and Northern Ireland too. Could be about 50 millimetres of rain falling in a fairly short space of time. Some thunderstorms with that heavy rainfall as well. So a lot of surface water. As it then pushes across into the east of Scotland during Monday morning, we could well see up to about 80 millimetres of rain. So some quite heavy, persistent rain likely across eastern parts of Scotland through the day on Monday, enough to cause some flooding problems. Elsewhere across the UK, we're going to be seeing a day of a few sunny spells, but also some heavy, potentially thundery showers moving up from the south. Some uncertainty about exactly when and where they are going to be falling, but it's turning quite humid too. So temperatures at around about 25 or 26 degrees at the warmest spots, a little bit fresher towards the northwest. Monday night into Tuesday, the first batch of rain pushes away towards the north, but then more heavy and thundery rain sweeps in towards the southeast. So through the day on Tuesday, we've got this fairly slow-moving, waving weather front, which is going to be pushing rain in from the south. Some of this rain on Tuesday, again, quite heavy, some thunderstorms as well. So there could well be some surface water flooding here on Tuesday, especially for East Anglia and the southeast. For the rest of the UK, I think the showers will be fewer and further between. But again, it's going to feel warm and quite muggy, especially in the south, with those temperatures in the mid to the high 20s, a little bit fresher further northwest. Now, into Wednesday, and higher pressure starts to become more established across the UK. So we're looking at fewer showers on Wednesday, but it won't be dry everywhere. Still a few outbreaks of rain across the southwest of England in particular. For the rest of the UK, there'll be a little bit of cloud here and there, and it'll be a touch cooler around these North Sea coasts as the breeze comes in from the sea. I think the warmest weather probably further west across the UK. Similar picture as we head on into Thursday too. Low pressure sits out towards the west, high pressure toppling in from the north, bringing us a largely dry, settled spell of weather through the day on Thursday. Plenty of sunshine around and fairly light winds too. It'll feel quite warm and humid once again, but a little bit fresher, but particularly in the east where we draw that breeze in from the North Sea. But 27 degrees there in Cardiff, one of the warmest spots through the day, I think, on Thursday. Now looking ahead towards the end of the week, and Friday sees high pressure sitting across the UK. Won't be quite as humid as it has been through the first part of the week, but still we are drawing in a south or southeasterly breeze from the near continent, and that is going to be lifting those temperatures once again. So I think we're going to be seeing highs on Friday up into the mid, possibly the high 20s, quite widely across much of England and Wales. But again, it is a little bit cooler along some of these eastern coasts where you've got that easterly breeze coming in, but highs around about 28 to 29 degrees, warming up, but watch out for some thunderstorms for the next few days. Bye-bye.